Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. This Instagram story trick will help you to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. For this one you have to open Play Store and here you have to type Gbox. Click on search. Here you will see the application toolkit for Instagram Gbox. You have to click on it. Click on install. After the installation, you have to open this application. And then you have to click on connect with Google. Scroll down, here you will see Gbox keyboard option. You have to click on it and then you have to click on allow. Click on get started and then you have to click on switch to Gbox keyboard. Click on allow and then you have to click on enable tab. Click on enable Gbox keyboard. From here you have to enable Gbox keyboard. Click on OK. After doing all these settings, now you have to open Instagram application. And you have to click on your story tab. Now you have to take any random picture. And then you have to click on this picture. And then you have to hold the space button. And you have to select Gbox keyboard and then again click on the image and then here you will see the photos option. You have to click on it and now you have to select the photos that you want to add to your Instagram story. So we'll select this one. Again you have to click on the story and you have to add the second image. Again you have to click on the story and you have to add the next image. So you can add as many images as you want. So once you will rearrange your photos, then you can add multiple effects. So after adding effects, then you have to click on send tab and then you have to click on share to your story. Click on done. So here you can see we have successfully added multiple photos on our Instagram story. So in the same way you can also add multiple photos on your Instagram story. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.